Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to look at the price action from the daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame. We'll look at the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels for today. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Tuesday, February 7th. At 9 AM we have high impact news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs. Then at 10:30 PM we have high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. At 11 PM we have high impact news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. So we have high impact news for US dollar related currency pairs, so we can expect lots of volatility in the market for US dollar related currency pairs today. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the current trend of the price action, I'm drawing a trend line or a support line. We can clearly understand that previously the price action was trading on a bullish trend, taking support on this trend line, and we have noticed a price action to break this trend line with a very strong high volume bearish candle, which means that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend and it is under the control of the sellers. And when we look at the yesterday's candles formation, it has formed a indecision candle or a pin bar, which means that the market doesn't want to fall below the support level of 1861. So for now, this level of 1861 is going to be acting as a strong support for today's price action. But when we look at the price action on the left hand side, we can clearly notice that it has broken the support level, which was around 1878, and the candles have closed below this support level. So when the price action wants to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, this level of 1878 will be acting as a resistance level for the future price action. Now we know the support level is around the level of 1861 and the resistance level for the current price action is around the level of 1878 or 1880. And currently the price action is taking support on the neck level of the previous price action. Once this support level is broken, we can expect a further fall on the bearish side, and the current trend is also on the bearish side. And when we closely look at the current price action also, we can notice that it is trying to complete a double top pattern. Once this support level of 1861 is broken, we can expect it to take support on the next support level, which is going to be around 1827. But once this resistance level is broken, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start. Again, this level of 1900 will be acting as a resistance level for the current price action because it is a neck level of the double top pattern. So for now, the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend as long as it is trading below this resistance level of 1878. And once this support level of 1861 is broken, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend in daily time frame. And next level of support is going to be around 1827, 1787, 1746. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1878, next level of resistance is going to be around 1900. So if you want to freshly enter into the bearish side trade, wait for the price action to break the support level of 1861. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, like we explained in the daily time frame, the price action tried to go on the bullish side retracement, but it has found a very strong resistance at the resistance level of 1880, and we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. Again, this level of 1861 is currently acting as a very strong support. Wait for the price action to break the previous support level with 1861 if you want to freshly enter on the bearish side trade, and wait for the price action to break the resistance level of 1880 if you want to freshly enter on the bullish side trade in 4 hours time frame also. Since we have a high impact news plan for today, we can expect a directional momentum in gold. And whatever price action it goes on the bullish side, it will be only considered as a retracement of the previous bearish side trend. Only when the price action breaks the previous high, which is going to be around 1959, it will be a start of the bullish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and to understand the current trend of the price action for hourly time frame, I'm again drawing a trend line or a resistance line. And we can clearly notice that previously the price action was respecting this trend line, and currently we are noticing the price action to form a candle outside of this trend line, which shows that the price action doesn't want to continue with bearish trend, and also we can notice that it doesn't want to start its bullish side retracement also, which means that currently it is on a sideways price action. So if you want to freshly enter into the trade, wait for a directional trend to start, based on which you can enter into the directional trade. For now, the current trend of the price action in the higher time frame is in a bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1868 and support level of 1860. Once the support is broken, next level of support on the bearish side is going to be around 1853, 1847, 1837 and 1826. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1868, the next level of resistance is going to be around 1881, 1890, 1896, 1900, 1905, 1912 and 1920. For now, the price action is consolidating between the higher time frame resistance level of 1881 and lower time frame support level of 1860. Wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bullish side, which means that it has to break the previous high of 1881, based on which you can take trades on the bullish side, or wait for the price action to break the support level of 1861, based on which you can freshly enter on the bearish side trade, which means that current bearish trend will continue. It is also trying to form a double bottom pattern. If the price action breaks the neck level of 1881, we can expect it to retrace up to the resistance level of 1912, from where it started its bearish side retracement. But it will not be a bullish side trend reversal, it will only be a retracement. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame, I'm drawing a trend line or a resistance line. And for now, we are noticing the price action to be respecting this resistance line and to be trending on the bearish side. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from this resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame in order to enter into the bullish side trade, or wait for it to break the support line, which is around the level of 1861 or 60, in order to freshly enter on the bearish side trade. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1866 and resistance level of 1869. Once this resistance level of 1869 is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 1871, 1873, 1876, 1880, 1886, 1892 and 1900. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the support level of 1866, next level of support is going to be around 1861. And for now, as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is on a bearish side, consolidating within this resistance line and the support line. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is respecting the 30 minutes time frame trend line or the resistance line, and it is in a bearish trend. Currently it is retracing to retest on this 30 minutes time frame resistance line. Wait for the price action to break this support line from the 15 minutes time frame if you want to freshly enter on the bearish side trade. And we have the higher time frame support level, which is around 1861. where we can expect the price action to take support. And only when the price action breaks this higher time frame support level, we can expect the further continuation of the bearish trend in 15 minutes time frame also. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1869, next level of resistance is going to be around 1871, 1873, 1876 and 1881. Although the current price action is in a bearish trend, it is still consolidating within the higher time frame resistance level of 1881 and support level of 1861 and sideways price action. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.